Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today, we're based in Adobe Photoshop Beta, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how you can create a glitch effect with an Adobe Photoshop Beta just using one click. Since the new update, they've introduced a new option called parametric filters, and they're fabulous. You can really apply some really cool effects to your imagery. So just take the steps that I showed today, guys, and I guarantee you'll be able to create something really cool and impressive. So what I'd like to do here is I'd like to apply a filter to this particular image. So I'm going to go to, with the layer highlighted, I'm going to go to filter. And as you can see, they've got this new option here of parametric filters. So if I click that, what comes up are all of these parametric filters that we can use. One that I want to use today for our glitch effect is called filter glitch. So if I click there on that filter glitch, it may take a couple seconds, guys, for it to work it out and apply the filter. Now, whoa, this is quite an intense glitch effect. So the benefit of these parametric filters is you're able to edit them and change them through the options in your properties window. So if I come through glitch density, I'm going to bring it right down like so. And sometimes it may take a couple of seconds, guys, for it to work out the actual effect. But yeah, much better, much better. I may even bring the glitch intensity down as well. You can change the glitch angle. I'm not going to change the glitch angle because I quite like it on top there and going horizontal. And what you're able to do is to improve or give a different type of resolution. So if I was to go high here, for instance, as you can see, it's updating here at the bottom left of the parametric properties, or we can go ultra. And yeah, again, just wait for it to do its update and trying to find it. I'd say that's pretty cool, to be fair. And there you have it, guys. That's how you now can create a glitch effect within Adobe Photoshop with just one click. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.